how to set folder colors in Unreal Engine 5. In this scene, we have some of the folder, and I select this one and right click, and here you can see have a set color. We select it, and here you can set this color, and now you will see this folder is different color than another folder. And I select this one and add to favorites, and you can see here have the favorites, and here have our new folder 5. Also you can add another one. So I think this way is really easier to find your folder. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.